There are lots of different types of temporary files in AutoCAD that are created when you save and create new drawings. So let's have a look at where we would find those first of all. Now normally when you create a drawing, a DWG file, AutoCAD automatically creates what they call a BAK file, a backup file, and that represents the contents of the drawing up until the last save of the drawing. I'm going to do an Alt-Tab now, and we're going to have a look at some of the folders. Now these folders here show the AC dollar files, the AutoCAD temporary files. Now these are actually stored, as you can see, in a local temporary folder on my C drive on my computer. Now the reason for that is because when I right click and go to Options here, and go to the Files tab, and go and look for my temporary file location here, you'll see there's my C Sean Bryant Locals temp folder. So as you can see, you can change that if you want to. You can browse that and save your temporary files elsewhere. That's just the default setting in AutoCAD. That's the one that I always use because I know where they are. I'm going to cancel that now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to Alt-Tab again now. I've got 09 Viewing Temporary Files open. That's my open drawing. So if I Alt-Tab again now and go back here, you'll see that there's my drawing, my DWG there. I've also got the BAK file, the backup file, which is created as well in the same folder, I hasten to add, as the DWG. I've also got these two files here, DWL and DWL2. They're lock files, telling me that the drawing is open. If I go to open that drawing again, let's just minimize that a second. If I go to open here and try and open that file again, watch what happens. It'll tell me that it's already open and in use by Sean Bryant using my SCB laptop. Would I like to open the file read only? That means I can't save any changes back to it. I'm going to say no in this case, but the only reason that that comes up is AutoCAD actually knows because of the DWL files, the lock files. It knows that that drawing is already open. So that's how you view your temporary files in AutoCAD, your BAK files and your AC dollar files. If you need to recover a drawing using one of those files, you simply change the file suffix from BAK to DWG just by renaming the file within Windows. Now to do that is very easy. I'll just show you very quickly. If I go here, I can right click and I can rename like so. I'm not going to in this case, but I would rename and change that AC dollar there to a DWG. If I close that one there and do an Alt-Tab again and go to this one, it's the same process. I right click on the BAK file, I rename, and I would rename that there to a DWG so that I could then open up that file. And then what I can do is I can go back to that file, for example, if my DWG file is corrupted. So as you can see there, it's very easy as long as you know where to look and what to do. So that's viewing your temporary files in AutoCAD 2010.